Hey everyone, today I want to show you how you can curate on the BioXyz Launchpad DAOs that you would like to see launched through the BioXyz Launchpad and raise funds for certain research areas. Now, if you've um, navigated to the BioXyz Launchpad, either by accessing it directly via link or by clicking on Launchpad here while you're already on our site, you will see a couple of DAOs in curation state, and if you click on one, you end up here on the page that I'm currently on. This is Zendao. Their goal is to uh, raise funds for lone wolf meditators, and we're gonna curate them, meaning we're gonna give them a little bit of our bio holdings. And if they reach their curation limit, their curation threshold, they will be able to do a fundraise on the Bio Launchpad. So, to do this, first of all, we obviously need to connect our wallet. You can do this up here or down here, click connect. And in my case, it already recognized that I have a Phantom wallet that I want to connect. And by connecting it now, you see that my bio amount is being pulled in as well here, my Solana bio balance, and I can start now committing. Now, this is on testnet, as you can see, but on the production environment, app.bio.xyz, it will work the same way. Now, given that bio is multi-chain, your bio might actually be living on different chains. And so the actual balance that you have on Solana, you will be seeing here, and we'll be also adding it into the drop down so you can see what your bio balance is on each individual chain. Now, if you aren't sure which DAO this is actually raising their funds and is actually launching on their curation, you can check that here. You see the symbol signifying Solana, but also here on the Solana balance, you see which is a chain that they're interested in raising with. Now, I can learn more about this raise by reading through the curation details and also learn more about the follow-on fundraise that they want to do. You see more information here. And you can follow the link to the docs to learn, for example, how the curation and the fundraise are working and how the Launchpad is combining these different steps to bring a DAO and a research project to fruition. Now, let's get back to curating. I've now selected this DAO. I'm interested in it. You see, I've quite some soul bio, and I'm gonna decide to commit 10K bio in it. And by clicking here on commit, you see the pop-up from my wallet happening, and it will need a little bit of Sol to set up this as a transaction. And you see here the 10K being committed and the committed amount also changing immediately. My balance also has adjusted, and that was basically it. Now, let's say I've changed my mind about lone wolf meditators, and I think actually it should be about research for all meditators, not just the lone wolves. And I decide, this research project doesn't deserve from my bio holdings the full 10K. I just want to do a 5K in it. I can decide to withdraw my bio again while the curation limit is not reached yet. Once the curation limit is reached, it will be locked for a certain time period. You can find a certain time period around here. This would be a curation lockup is 60 days. And if the curation is successful, then this will apply and then it will go into the fundraise mode. Now, if the fundraise is successful, then these bio tokens will turn into, in this case, VZen, vesting Zen tokens that I will get from the DAO once the fundraise is a success. And if I'm or if the DAO is unsuccessful in raising, then after these 60 days, I will actually get my bio back that I've committed here. And the DAO will basically get into a raise failed state and will not continue its journey through the bio platform. All right. Okay, I've decided I want to withdraw here my 5K. Keep in mind that there is a withdrawal fee of 5% currently on the platform. So if you commit to a DAO, make sure that you really want to support it because otherwise this 5% fee will apply to you. Meaning in this case, I won't get the full 5K back. And if I click withdraw, you will see this in a sec. I'm getting only 4.75K back. And yeah, you saw the withdrawal message something we'll need to adjust, that it shows 4.75K are being withdrawn. And with that, you are now only 5K bio committed. You have only 5K bio committed to the DAO. All right, that's it. Happy curating.